This is a brand new 2014 Toyota Tacoma. This truck has a 5-speed automatic transmission, a 4.0-liter V6, and the added safety and control of 4-wheel drive. Its top features include speed-sensitive volume controls, a double wishbone independent front suspension, a limited slip differential, and traction control and stability control systems. The following features are also included: air conditioning, a split folding rear seat, full power accessories, a 6-speaker audio system, a passenger side vanity mirror, front side impact airbags, rear seat child-proof door locks, a CD player, automatic locking wheel hubs, and an auxiliary power outlet. We hope you found this video informative. Please contact us today.